Today we will learn how to install Windows 7 on latest generation computer like 9 Gen, 10 Gen or 13 Gen and solve the problem of a required CD DVD drive is missing. First, make Windows 7 bootable in your pen drive. Second step, go to Google, type support utility gigabyte. Visit this site. Here, type Windows USB in the search box. Go to support Intel 100, 200X, 299 series motherboard. Download the driver software. Unzip the downloaded zip file. Click Windows Image tool. The software is open. Click on the destination path. Select the Windows 7 bootable pen drive. Here, enable these three options. Click on the Start button. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes. The process is completed. Click the Close button. Restart the computer. Press the Delete key from the keyboard. You can see the BIOS setup option is opened. Click on the Save and Exit tab. Double click on UEFI. Use DIX 3.0 PMAP Partition 2. Click on the Next button. Click Install now. Click on the I accept the license terms checkbox. Click on the Next button. Click on Custom. Now see all the drives in my computer are showing. Select C drive from here. Click on Drive option. Click on the Format. Click on the OK button. Click on Next. The Windows 7 installation has started. Type any name here. Click on the next button. Click on the next button again. Click the skip button. Click on use recommended setting. Click on the next button. Well, we have successfully installed Windows 7 on our latest computer. Thanks for watching the video.